Assalamualaikum. Now we're going to present about our company service, which is delivery service. Now we will look generally to our company service named Rocket Delivery. First, when we click to this welcome page button, it will take us to this sheet. This is welcoming home page. Then login button will bring us to the sheet that our existing customer can put their ID and they can see their past data. After that, this contact us and about us button will bring us to these two sheet. These two sheet is explaining about our company service detail and how to contact us. Next, this transaction button will bring us to the historical order from our customer. We can see here some of our historical data order from our customer. Now we will go to the page to make a new delivery, which is new delivery button. Here is the page. So they can make a new order here. After making an order, they must have a receipt. So this button will bring us to the receipt generator. Here it will generate the receipt for all order. This button will bring us to the data for pricing. And this button will bring us to the page of company profit. And lastly, this button will bring to the data of company.
This is our interface of Rocket Delivery System. The customer can using our system to make their delivery. Basically, Rocket Delivery is a system that provides the best and fastest delivery to our customer based on their needs and wants. So our service delivery is the fastest delivery around Malaysia. Rocket Delivery produce three types of vehicle such as motorcycle, car and lorry. So if the customer want to deliver their things, they just can click deliver now and it will appear customer data and information. They just need to fill in the blanks that required. So back to our welcome page. If the customer want to know about our company, they just can click about us. So it will appear this screen. So Rocket was born to make on-demand delivery possible for everyone at the touch of a button through a single application. User can gain access a wide fleet of suitable delivery vehicle helmet by professional drivers. Simply input the pickup and drop-off location, choose the vehicle types that you need and get matched with a nearby driver who's ready to take order. So if the customer want to contact us, they just can click here and it will appear contact us. So our office at number 32, Jalan 106/2, section 19, 46350, Petaling Jaya, Selangor. So our email is rocketdelivery21@gmail.com and our Rocket Delivery Driver Center is at Bumi Bukit Jalil, number 21, Jalan Jalil 2, Lebuh Raya Bukit Jalil, Sungai Besi 75000, Kuala Lumpur.
Okay, next we moving on to the login page. Basically, login page is for our existing customer that already get the user ID, which means they already make a transaction with us and the history is secured by us. So basically, if they want to look look up at their transaction history, they can simply put their user ID at here, and then this transaction history will appear, such as their names, type of vehicle they frequently use, the date of last transaction, and the total price they already charged by us by using our service. And if they want to make a new delivery, they just can simply click on the new delivery.
Now we move on to the new delivery page. As you can see, there are some details that our customer should fill in order for them to send things. Firstly, they need to fill in their name and the date of the delivery. Next, for the vehicle, they need to fill in the code which they can choose on where they need to deliver their things and which vehicle they would prefer to. This is important because the code must be filled correctly according the information given. For example, if a customer wants to send things to Selangor using motorcycle, he or she needs to fill with SEL1 motorcycle. And if he or she wants to use car, the code should be SEL2 car, and same goes to if he or she wants to use a lorry, the code that need to be filled in is SEL3 lorry. After choosing the types of the vehicle, they need to click on the price based on the price list given. Next, they need to fill the address on where they want to deliver their things. Not only that, they also need to fill in their phone number. After all the details have been filled correctly, it will automatically summarize the total price of our service. If our customer confirm the details, they just need to click the confirm button and they will have a receipt on their orders. As you can see on the top left side of the receipt is our company's name, address and office number. While on the top right side of the receipt, we have date and the customer details, which are their name, the address that where they want to send their things, and their phone number. All the details of the things that they want to send will be appear in the receipt, including the total price of our service. If they have any question on the receipt, they can directly call or email to us.
So next I will presenting on the company's profit. As everyone see on the transaction data of customers before, we only have 2 months, which is from January 1 until February 9. So here for the company's profit, for the month 1 January, our sales is RM 2,160 ringgit, and for the month 2 February, we got the sales for RM 571 ringgit and 84 cents. So for the sales and revenue, compute from 2 months, we got the total sales RM 2,732 ringgit 22 cents, and our total gross profit RM 552 ringgit 22 cents. For the maintenance, such as for the motorcycles, car, and also for the lorry, our maintenance is only RM 980 ringgit. For the bills and electricity for our office is RM 550 ringgit, and for our insurance, for company insurance is only RM 700 ringgit. So we got the total net profit, which is RM 552 ringgit 22 cents, which is sales revenue minus by the maintenance, bill, electricity, insurance, and also total gross profit.